Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What is up? Half Baked Beard here,
Kadance.
and we've got some beard mail from Chronic Beard. From Michael or Chronic Beard. I believe this is his new. It is his new scent.
I got the
Alright.
oil.
We got some butter. I know he's got. Oh shit! He's got new containers. I know he's got new labels.
He got new labels?
Yep.
Yes, he
Yep.
does.
Some stickers. Never have enough chronic stickers. He has his invoice. Alright. Open up, sucker. Ugh.
Beard butter Salem Smoke?
Salem Smoke. I mean, it's like caramel. It's his fall scent. It's like instead of doing like fucking pumpkin fucking spice, he did it's apple, cinnamon, salted caramel, and cigar. Look at these new fucking labels. They're super clean. Somewhere in there. Nice. I love the window on the back where you can totally see the oil through. This is beautiful fucking oil too. And there, of course, he's got the hemp seed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond fragrance, and essential oils. And now it's got vitamin E also. Oh, good old Mike. Ooh, that smells freaking good. Put some in hand here. Here's a pretty thick oil. I wouldn't say it's different.
I was waiting for the vitamin oil.
The vitamin E oil, yeah. Damn, that's good. Man, that's fucking perfect. Like, you definitely get everything in there. You get the apple, and I was kind of worried that it was going to be too much cinnamon, because sometimes the shit with the cinnamon is just overpowering. But the salty caramel, and then you do get like the light, like tobacco, like cigar,
Yeah,
like on the end.
A little.
Maybe we'll check out that butter.
Smells like pine leaves.
Pine leaves.
I think, to me.
That actually the butter, you get a little bit more of the caramel. I think I smell a little bit more. But look at those are sweet.
Yeah,
you can never see them.
I think you get a little more caramel
You can't
in the
see
butter. I do a lot.
Come on, whatever. But yeah, Salem Smoke. Yes.
Yes, this smells
This
really
is freaking
good.
sweet. I really like
The ingredients in the oil
hemp seed butter.
oil, jojoba oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, fragrance and essential oils, and vitamin E.
Yep.
Made in the USA.
And then
USA.
the butter, his butter's got hemp seed butter, jojoba butter, sweet almond butter, hemp seed, jojoba, and sweet almond oils, essential oil, and fragrance oil. May contain nut. Yeah.
And this
Salem
is
Smoke.
our dog Doja.
Yes. Of course, his butter is fucking phenomenal.
And everyone
And
should
it
know
doesn't
our
matter.
dog.
It doesn't have anything to do with the heat or anything. Like, it doesn't even matter if this shit's ice cold. It's always just super freaking soft.
Right, Dad? They all should know Doja's name.
All right, awesome. All right, guys. Well, thanks so much. Thanks, Mike, over there. Fucking good old Chronic Beard. And I will check back in with you guys here in a little bit and let you know what I think. Have a great day. You know what time it is? Time to smash that fucking like button and subscribe. I promise there's more content coming soon.